Hello everybody, Chainsaw Labonto here to give you an instruction video on how you make the membranophone. First you need some tools like a big old chainsaw and a ruler and maybe a pan or something. Or you need a chainsaw tool and maybe a hammer. Let me see some drum skins, some of them. Believe it or not, you need these things. And then you get something that looks like this. You cover it out with a chainsaw. And then you get something that looks like this. Then you shinify it. And then you jam on it. And you also get the different. Of course, this is a big pop. Right here. Play on that. But then you got this one right here. It's also a juicifier.